cinematography tip of the day. We're talking director DP monitor cart, and we're talking about communication at the epicenter of the set. How do you keep everyone dialed in? Well, I need to extend my range because they're way over at the trucks. There's people at the set. We have people at base camp. I need to be able to talk to them still. So what I've done is I've taken these 10-foot cables that you can buy online and extend the antennas to the Hollyland Solidcom C100 Pro. So I'm able to, this is actually aluminum square tubing that you use for like building like shelves and stuff. And we put these nice little locks on it. I'm able to snap this. I am able to now get these antennas 10, 12 feet in the air. They're able to shoot over people, shoot through trees, because trees and people have water, and that's not good. Now, you're able to extend it, and I'm able to keep everyone on comms and dialed in. And I'm using the Hollyland 4K Pyros to be able to disperse all my wireless communication. And that is your cinematography tip of the day.